Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to import a picture of yourself onto any background you want using an application called Snapseed. So Snapseed is basically just like a photo editing program you can use to do a bunch of cool stuff. But today I'm going to show you how to put yourself on any background. So the first thing we need to do is you need to import your background image you want to put yourself on. So to do that, just click open on the upper left corner and then select a picture. I'm just going to select this picture of the pyramids. After you've imported your image, just click tools in the bottom middle, scroll down until you find double exposure, and then just add another image by pressing the plus icon on the bottom left. And then press the photo of yourself you want to import. I'm just going to press this photo of a man standing next to the Eiffel Tower just as an example. As you can see, the image is transparent, so you just need to increase the opacity by pressing the icon on the bottom right and putting the slider all the way. After that, just resize your image until you're the size you want to be, and put that where you want to be in the image, the final image. So I'm just going to put him in the bottom right corner. After that, click the icon on the upper right and press View Edits. After that, click Double Exposure and press the Brush tool. Click the icon on the bottom left next to the X. That's going to show you your other image you have. And then all you need to do is just brush him out of the picture. You should take your time with this, but I'm just going to do it for the sake of this tutorial. So you just need to brush him out completely out of the image and make sure your brush is set to 0. Otherwise, there's still going to be a part of the original image he was in the new one. So I'm just going to brush him out completely. Okay, and he's done. After that, you can just go around the edges and make sure they're like the way you want them. They're completely brushed out. After that, just click the icon again on the bottom left, and as you can see our guy, and he's standing next to the pyramids. And you can just press that button again to see the different pictures that you edited, and if you want to change anything. So I'm just going to reinforce the lines a bit. I'm just doing this quick for the sake of the tutorial, but if you want to do a professional photo, you're probably going to do it a lot slower. So the last step is exporting our image. All we have to do is just click the check mark, and that's going to save the changes that we made. Press back on the upper left and click export on the bottom right and just press save image, and that's going to prepare your photo. And that's it. We have our photo. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one.